Did you know that AI agents can increase your productivity by up to 30%? This is because AI agents can automate tasks, provide personalized recommendations, and even help with decision-making. In this video, we will explore the world of AI agents and show you how to get the most out of them. From chatbots to virtual assistants, we will dive into the different types of AI agents and how they can be used to boost productivity. But before we get started, let's take a look at what AI agents are and how they work. AI agents are computer programs that use artificial intelligence to perform tasks on behalf of humans. They can be used for a wide range of tasks, from simple automation to complex decision-making. One of the most popular types of AI agents is chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs that use natural language processing to simulate human-like conversations. They can be used to provide customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and even help with sales. Another type of AI agent is virtual assistants. Virtual assistants are computer programs that use artificial intelligence to perform tasks such as scheduling appointments, sending emails, and even making phone calls. They can be used to help with daily tasks, freeing up time for more important things.
Now that we have a better understanding of what AI agents are and how they work, let's take a deep dive into how to use them for maximum productivity. One of the most important things to consider when using AI agents is to choose the right one for the task at hand. There are many different types of AI agents available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. For example, chatbots are great for providing customer support, while virtual assistants are better suited for tasks such as scheduling appointments. When choosing an AI agent, it's also important to consider the level of complexity involved. Some AI agents are simple and easy to use, while others require more technical expertise. It's also important to consider the cost of the AI agent, as well as any potential return on investment. Once you have chosen the right AI agent, it's time to start using it. This can involve setting up the AI agent, training it, and even integrating it with other systems. One of the most popular ways to use AI agents is for task automation. Task automation involves using AI agents to perform repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more important things. For example, AI agents can be used to automate tasks such as data entry, bookkeeping, and even social media management. Another way to use AI agents is to increase efficiency. This can involve using AI agents to provide personalized recommendations, help with decision-making, and even optimize processes. For example, AI agents can be used to analyze data, identify trends, and even provide predictions.
Now that we have explored the world of AI agents and how to use them for maximum productivity, let's take a look at some of the controversies surrounding AI agents. One of the most significant concerns is job displacement. As AI agents become more advanced, there is a risk that they could displace human workers. This is because AI agents can perform tasks more quickly and accurately than humans, making them a more attractive option for businesses. However, it's also important to consider the benefits of AI agents. For example, AI agents can help to free up time for more important tasks, allowing humans to focus on higher-level work. They can also help to improve efficiency, reduce errors, and even provide better customer service. Another concern surrounding AI agents is bias. This is because AI agents can perpetuate existing biases if they are trained on biased data. For example, if an AI agent is trained on data that is predominantly white, it may struggle to recognize and respond to people of color. To mitigate this risk, it's essential to ensure that AI agents are trained on diverse and representative data. It's also important to regularly test and evaluate AI agents for bias, making adjustments as needed.
Now that we have explored the controversy surrounding AI agents, let's take a look at the future impact of AI agents. As AI agents become more advanced, we can expect to see even more widespread adoption. This could involve the use of AI agents in industries such as healthcare, finance, and even education. For example, AI agents could be used to help diagnose diseases, provide personalized medicine, and even optimize treatment plans. They could also be used to provide financial advice, help with investment decisions, and even optimize portfolios. Another area where AI agents are likely to have a significant impact is in the home. For example, AI agents could be used to control smart home devices, provide personalized recommendations, and even help with household chores. As AI agents become more integrated into our daily lives, we can expect to see significant changes in the way we live and work. For example, AI agents could help to free up time for more leisure activities, allowing us to pursue our passions and interests. They could also help to improve our overall quality of life, providing better healthcare, education, and even financial stability.
Now that we have explored the world of AI agents and their potential impact, it's time to take action. If you're interested in using AI agents to boost your productivity, there are several steps you can take. First, research the different types of AI agents available and choose the one that best fits your needs. Next, set up and train the AI agent, integrating it with other systems as needed. Finally, regularly evaluate and adjust the AI agent to ensure it's providing the best possible results. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and productivity. By following these steps and staying up to date with the latest developments in AI, you can unlock the full potential of AI agents and take your productivity to the next level. Like and subscribe now to join the conversation and stay ahead of the curve.